Disclaimer.
Nobody was physically harmed in the making of this video. These are AI-generated characters and are for entertainment purposes only.
Y'all know what I just realized? It's Player 3 first time playing a tournament with us. It is. Oh Lord, hey Player 3, you ready? A tournament? I ain't gonna lie, I'm still kind of mad what happened to me that last game. That dude picked me up and shot me in the face. Man, I got absorbed by a big old cannon, got annihilated. I don't know what that was. Well, I said y'all, I had that blue face knife. That thing was not playing. All right, but y'all ready to play this tournament and try to win it? You know what? Yeah, we won the second one and we won the first one. We can definitely win the third one. I bet. Let's do this, y'all. Yeah. All right, Player 3, I ain't gonna lie, just stay with us at all times because me and Player 2, we got this, don't it, boy? Yep. Yeah. All right, but yeah. So y'all ready? Yep. All right, let's go. All right, girl, come on, let's do this. Yeah. Girl, you better not doubt me. Stick to the plan now, Lord. Aim shot real quick. Oh, no, you don't. Oh. What the world? Where you get that shield from? Hey, why is these shields in the gun game? Boy, don't worry about that. Take some of this shit, you lazy. Oh, goodness. Let's continue whooping some butt. Lord, boy, I hate your lemon skin so much. I hate that balloon. Why you holding it in the gun game? I just got done fighting the toll boss. Now I got his weapon. Y'all ready to die? No! What in the world? Oh, wait. Boy, that item never gets old, Lord. You ready, Player 3? Yup. Oh, Lord! Oh, no! What did you just come in this? Oh, Player 1, how did you even get that? Huh? Where's all these cannons coming from? I'm lost. Yeah, I just figured this out yesterday. Open y'all main menu and y'all gonna see them. I'm not even lying. Wait, how long has that been there? Don't know. This is my first time hearing about it. Well, let's win this tournament, I guess. Let's see how this thing works. No! Ha! You next, bro! What the? Why we just finding out about that big old cannon? I don't know, but y'all, we won round 1, so round 2 we go. Shut up, red boy. It's my turn, boy. I'm with this boy. Y'all ain't with nothing. What the? Where did you go? You little brat! You took my kill! You're my kill. What the? Where? Oh! Y'all doing good down there, Lord. Hey, you like bombs, girl? Catch this. Boy, you I'ma just shoot that bomb right at your hand. Wait, what? Oh, no. I got a blue face knife. Oh, I'm about to work now, boy. Oh, no, you don't, boy. That's my knife. Bro, literally, you got the kid. Haha, got it again. I love this knife. Here we go. Oh my God. You know what? I'm about sick of you. I really am. Oh, dang. No talking, just straight to fight. Bet. Well, stop hiding behind that shit without being scared, boy. Oh, it is time to use my knife. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Oh my God, I won the battle! Oh my God! God dang, y'all done wiped my team out! Oh my God! Oh! What? I'm surprised he didn't know about them mechanics. Hey y'all, finish him! Here we are! Oh my goodness, y'all, I won my first tournament of the game. You sure did, thanks to us. No, thanks to that knife.